This is the box I put together for my bed. This is going to go in between the boxes that went around the wheel well, and I'm about to put a 5-inch strip right here all the way across, and then it's going to have hinges right here, and then this side's going to fold up, and then I'm going to have all these compartments underneath my bed for storage, and I'll show you how that fits in between the wheel boxes right now. Here's the box in between the two wheel wells. I'm going to screw it down to the floor here. I put this, I haven't glued that yet. I just wanted to see how it would fit. And then my foam pad's going to go all the way across there. And then I'm going to have back here, I'm going to have the back of my couch come out. It's going to be tapered up right here. And then I'm going to have probably one real close to the wall, and then one about here, and then one close to the wall over here, and then I'll have spots in here to store things. Here's a look from the front. So I got that sticking out there. I'm going to do something with that. I'm not sure yet. I've kind of just loosely planned this build out. I'm just kind of going, I got a rough idea. I don't have everything completely laid out. I want to get this bed in first, but I might go ahead and just put some like painter's tape on the floor, tape it out, and actually build it out, plan it out, lay it out, all that. I've just been going kind of as I go and just adapting things as I go, which usually works out pretty good. I mean, I got kind of an idea, but and then my kitchen's, I got that much room for the kitchen. Plus, it's going to come out. It's going to come out to here. This door, I got that thing sticking out, so it's probably going to come to about right here. So that'll work out, and so I just want to give you a look at that. And I got lots of storage under there. I kind of got this idea from being in the Navy. That's kind of how our racks were on the ship. We had to keep all our stuff underneath, and this has a lot more room. The one on the ship wasn't that deep. This one's 10 3/4, I think, deep. So that'll mainly be clothes and stuff like that. And when I was on the ship, we had all our stuff in there, plus we had a stand-up locker, and I was able to keep everything I needed in both of that. So I think I'm going to have, a lot more here, plus I got all that in the back. The back there, I plan on having a toolbox and putting things like that back there that I don't use very much. And I'll see how it works out. I might put doors on the back of that, where the couch that I showed you earlier. I might end up putting doors on that. Not sure yet. I'm going to trim this out with whatever I use for the paneling, because there is kind of a gap. I kind of left it loose so it just wouldn't like fit real tight, wedge right in there. I left a little gap so I can move it around, because I wasn't sure if I was going to bring it all the way up front or all the way to the back, but I think all the way to the back's probably better. So that's the bed right there. I'll post more videos when I get more completed. Here's how I'm installing these furring strips here. I got that cut to the length here, and I'm going to drill those in. Here's how it turned out on the other side. I got the angle brackets holding that one in, and then I just pocket hole screwed that on the top, and then I screwed that pocket hole, screwed that on the bottom, and I got that one over there. The reason I didn't do that on the top here is because it's going towards the edge of the wood, and I was afraid it would blow out. I had plenty of wood down there to do that. So that's going to replace that one that went. I had one that went all the way across there before I put the boxes in, and that wasn't going to work. So and that'll help hold right there. That'll hold the side of my bed up too, and the side of my bed should go about up to that one to tie those two together. Today I got my Reflectix all cut and put in, and I labeled each window so I can take it out and put it back in. Got the back done, and I want to show you this bed that I got the top put on. Got the hinges on. It opens up. Got that storage under there. From here up, that's my actual sleeping surface. This 5 inches here is where my back of my foam pad's going to come down, and it's going to come up 15 degrees. I'll show those in another video how I designed those, but those are going to come out and go there. There's 4 of them, 2 in the middle, and then over there. So I just want to give a quick look at that. I'm going to be sleeping on this weekend. I got my foam pad cut. I just used a hacksaw to cut that, and it fits good. I laid down. I got plenty of room. I still got 1/4 inch paneling to go over this, but I'm gonna have plenty of room to lay in here.